Evolution for aha egg and send TV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe. Turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Evolution for answer that met to a massive soon. Person maybe so. Before we share video, we know this particular video, you know. But you make sure we did it. Make sure we did it now. Maybe I'll share video now. And make sure say a conducive place. Say what here. Bibi. Because asem no is so bad. So bad. Hey, and the bonny ben na Ghana. What did we do to deserve NDC? What did we do to deserve a second coming of John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency? What did we do? Edria boana se obi abo edria. Aya boni bi tia yakopɔ ana. Pa se nipa ti se Akufo Addo. Any Alajota Mamudu Bawumia. Etimbe move your mind we kwen name for 8 years. Na anka after Akufo Addo exit no. Kaya yempe obi a na dwemu do. Abet me to a legacy no so ti say Bawumia. Na yakwa tam sankofa. Mahama. Look at what we are going through now as a country, as a mind. Look at what we are going through. And it's sad. Very sad. Let me read this to you from a Ministry of Finance, Addo. Commitment authorization for projects under Big Push program. A reference is made to the letter dated 10th July 2025 from the Ministry of Roads and Highways on the agreement to use the allocation of Big Push program for infrastructure for 2025 and 2026 and the request for authorization to implement the underlisted road projects. Approval is hereby granted to commit the government to an amount not exceeding 50 billion 986 million 620,125 Ghana cedis and 28 pesos over a 3-year period. Ebusianfo ni tintin ni tietia ne say NDC aban yi omutumi hwe yi ni meka kire say oman we sika 50 billion Ghana cedis. What do you call dollars, ma? What do you call dollars, ma? 5 billion United States dollars. 5 billion United States dollars. Omundi beye Big Push road. Ekwan. Na omu so omu sama omu eye breakdown. Yen fa baku like 1 or 2 or 3 items. Ebusianfo NDC ka kire yese. Eye rehabilitation. Munche ni you. Eye se omu from scratch o. Rehabilitation. Ese omu fill potholes. Omu pachi kwan of Wa to Han Road. I have 54 kilometers no. Ebe kosi omano 436 million 596,686.81 pesos. Rehabilitation. So mbe fill potholes. Mbe fill potholes almost 500 million Ghana cedis. Where Philip Port was keke. Hey. Ah. Hey. Ntebe yeni. Potholes are on my way. Addo forcing. Ebe filling of potholes under the guise of rehabilitation of a 54-kilometer road. Almost 500 million Ghana cedis. What do you call it? Is Kanema? Send 50 billion old cedis also. Hey, Minisane NDC. What have we done? Boni ben. Actually, Bamamono, Boni. This is how you pay us for voting for you. Oh. Let's go and listen to this interesting conversation. But before then, we shall for.
When trying propaganda NDC for especially Samej and Fini John Jenapo. Eyetia Dr. Baomia for 3 solid years. Kontom ponsama nsɛm a yɛnim a wɔn kato na so di gu na nim asese ni den twɛn na bo so for 3 solid years about multi-purpose dam ayɛyɛ wɔ Pwalugu ɛno apɛ within 1 minute Nyankopɔn e dey expose NDC for or dey aguo manim ase wa NDC for ho ntoma ma wiase nyina hu sɛ NDC for nye ni papa NDC for trimu osuma NDC for yɛ vidifo NDC ni betimi akum sunsun akum kra akum ni pedua NDC ni betimi akyekere asem ato so a woyi wanu bia enye ye da. That is what they did to Dr. Baomia, but eno ape Nyankopon yi omo so ahanhan eno a John Jenapo energy minister call parliament assurance committee anim ano no abu iditi busa na say mu opposition na mo say Dr. Baomia na MPP for abo Pwalugu multi-purpose dam project ni mu kro no ene mu abam mu hwehwe mu akwa akosisen mu evidence we hen John Jenapo ba bebie na no a oso obi a mbokoro no contractor ni ye adwuma na so MPP for antam sika bia ama no many video na kire ba before then tie nkwasi asem asame Jemfi omo opposition or kato Dr. Baomia so that stupid boy that thief asame Jemfi kronfo na NDC former appointment within 2 months no wasesa be 180 million Ghana cedis akugu ni CD account mu no asesa dollars millions of dollars akugu ni dollar account mu na opese will change account name no call ni PAD that stupid guy, that corrupt guy, that crofo no Sami Jemfi crofo no muntie nkwasi asem a woka eto Dr. Baomia so ensem a enim krono a wode to Dr. Baomia so ebra no mo opposition obra na woni evidence bia muntie no mu wi amon
today for the benefit of tomorrow is being wasted, is being stolen by a few select people in office. And that is the story, the sad story of the Pwalugu Dam. It shows how dishonest, hypocritical, duplicitous Alhaji Baomia is.
Ono Sami Jemfi no, as a Dr. Baomia, eye kronfo. All cancer ankwasa say we no need evidence bi wo, but okay. Now, yentie John Jenapo concession will make you assurance committee in any about this same project, this same issue.
The Pwalugu dam contractor was paid $11.9 million. Have you, it may not directly have fallen under your ministry in the previous government, but because of the electricity generation component, I believe you have an interest, and so you will have followed it. Have you done audit to see whether the contractor was paid for work done, or that you believe that he bolted away, as you put it?
So far, our preliminary investigation shows that the contractor was not paid for the work done.
So this brief statement, John Jenapo make here, I kill 2 fundamental propaganda. NDC for no more yet here, Dr. Baomia, any MPP, a no more opposition. Near the kind. NDC for no more say, Pwalugu multi-purpose dam, a Jumabia and Koso. Na ne did na MPP for ye did na Dr. Baomia ye project no na exist only on paper na alcohol grounds so na adwuma bi a nkoso contractor na anya adwuma bi a ne etoso mienu na almost contractor na anya hwe na nso MPP fo ya sese sika twitwiri de edi ama no yene na konaive abo Ghana kro no nti omo be ti Dr. Baomi omo be ti MPP fo agu but then wutie John Jenapa na edi kan o say adwuma koso pa there was work done contractor ne ye adwuma na etoso mienu o say contractor na adwuma o ye nyina akiri MPP kra ama no one cedi mpo MPP ama ne sika bia enti saa entro no mu twa say Pwalugu dam no adwuma bia nkoso wo honom contractor na anya adwuma bia na so yatam sika twitwiri di ama no ene John na pon nankasa ba be explosion mo hey NDC me hwe how Dr. Baomi na ni ku project we hu na oye say ebetimi aboa the people up north the northern part of Ghana to invest a lot of time and energy cracking his brain epe omo betimi afund the project na omo sha asem na along the line COVID by ya there was a global economic crisis in tia affected omo fund the project na afi omo twetwe omo na ase na we hwe how Dr. Baomi committee a lot of energy trying to secure other funding to make sure the project na be koso na NDC fui enam touchline ye propaganda twan talk cancer hu edina tamo twe na bo so bo no kro no chese as if mu ene omanya power ye bi so ma now no omo ka no kore sami janfi onu juma e de ba bi di no kro no na obo good board no he may think say he's gone scot free but certain things are enyamba abonte but I can assure him say very soon he will run very soon Sami Jenfi he will run with his tail behind in between his legs